Hi, Waitlist community. Today we wanted to answer the question, what are the tax benefits of short-term rentals? So there are actually a lot of tax benefits with investing in short-term rentals. Number one, just like long-term rentals, you only pay taxes on the cash flow or the profit that you show at the end of the year. And so you have the ability to take expenses off, including things like furniture, and treat it as an expense for the property and actually make your profit look lower.
Yeah, so you can set up a situation similar to long-term rentals where you're actually cash flowing, but at the same time, you're showing a loss on your tax return. So you're not going to be paying any taxes on that cash flow.
And then that way, cash flow is tax free. You can also generate paper losses. And the big one is depreciation and bonus depreciation, the same way you do with long term rentals. Except the big key here is you don't need real estate professional tax status to use those big paper losses to shelter your W-2 income. So that's the reason that a lot of people tend to lean towards short term rentals if they're not going to be able to achieve real estate professional status right away.
Yeah, and then the last thing about short-term rentals is, and we talked about this a little bit, is that you can furnish a rental and then treat it as an expense. And so you can literally take your entire property. We have this 4-bedroom that we're doing right now, and we're going to furnish the entire place, right? 4 bedrooms, as well as a kitchen, dining, living room, and everything. So it's going to be, and we're going to expense all of it.
Right. And we're also going to be able to expense a lot of the rehab as well, especially using bonus depreciation. So we're actually, again, the government's paying for us to improve a property that's ultimately going to be worth more money, is going to make more cash flow because it's improved, and then helping us furnish it as well. So there are a lot of great things about short-term rentals, and a lot of our students do end up investing in them, just like us, doing both actually. And so while we don't specifically spend a lot of time about short-term rentals in Zero to Freedom, we do actually teach you all the concepts in our program, in our course, that you can use to then apply to short-term rentals if that's the route you decide you want to include in your portfolio. And we also do a lot of short-term rental education in Empire Builders, which is our membership site that people go into after they take our course. So that wraps up our little short-term rental teaching. We'll see you next week.